Standardization and quality control parameters of Kayam Churna. What are herbs? So herb is a plant part used for its scent, flavor and therapeutic properties. Major use of herbal medicine is for health promotion and therapy for chronic as opposed to life-threatening conditions. However, usage of traditional remedies increases when conventional medicine is ineffective in the treatment of diseases such as in advanced cancer and in of new infectious diseases. However, the herbal drugs or herbal formulation is a dosage form consisting of one or more herbs or processed herbs in specified quantities to provide specific nutritional and diagnostic purpose. Herbal formulation are of wider therapeutic index. They are also cheap, ubiquitous, and easily available. Herbal formulations also have better acceptance for the patients. It is also evident that the efficacy of the herb combination is more effective than a single herb effective. These are some guidelines for quality control of herbal formulation, quality control of crude drugs material, plant preparations, and finished products. Stability assessment and shelf life of formulation. Next is safety assessment. Documentation of safety based on experience or toxicological studies. And last is assessment of efficacy by pharmacological informations and biological activity evaluations. Now we will see what standardization actually means. So it is a process of evaluating the quality and purity of few drugs, prescribing a set of standards or inherent characteristics, constant parameters, definitive, qualitative and quantitative values that carry an assurance of quality, efficacy, safety and reproducibility. Standardization of herbal formulation includes modifying the reagent natural medication to a characterized substance of a constituent or a gathering of substances with realized helpful action by including excipients or by blending herbal medications or herbal drug formulation. Next, what is the need for standardization? So, the regularity authorities rigidly follow various standards of quality prescribed for raw materials and finished products in pharmacopoeias, formularies, and manufacturing operation through statutory imposed good manufacturing practices. These procedures logically would apply to all types of medication, whether included in modern system of medicine or one of the traditional systems. Standardization is important in identification of botanical sources and common adulterants. It also plays important role in specification of the conditions for drying, storage and shelf life. Though herbal products have become increasingly popular throughout the world, one of the impediments in its acceptance is lack of standard quality control. This is the overall representation of how standardization of herbal drugs was carried out by means of organoleptic evolution, botanical evolution, physical, chemical, and biological evolution. In organoleptic evolution, color, odor, taste, texture of formulation were studied. Similarly, for botanical evolution, macroscopic and microscopic characteristics of formulation were studied. Physical evolution was carried out using moisture content, hash value and extractive value. Qualitative and quantitative parameter was studied under chemical evolution, whereas toxicological and microbiological parameters were studied under biological evolution. So as we are going to see standardization of Kayam Churna, it is well-known proprietary Ayurvedic formulation which consists of 7 Ayurvedic ingredients mixed with black salt and Swarjikshara, which used in improving digestion and provide relief from constipation. Owing to the strong laxative and digestive qualities of this herbal product, consuming it in a prescribed quantities is really effective in pain abdomen, loss of appetite, indigestion, flatulence, constipation, and distaste. Kayam churna can be taken 1 to 2 tablespoons at bedtime, preferably before food with half a glass of hot water. However, it can also lead to complications including diarrhea, high blood potassium, abdominal pain, loss of fluids, etc. It can be stored in airtight container in dry place. These are the ingredients of Kayam Churna. It is mixture of senna leaves, black salt, nishot, ajwain, haritaki, swarjakshara and mulethi. This is how Kayam Churna was prepared. Firstly, equal proportion of each powder ingredients were taken, then individual ingredients were dried and cleaned by hand sorting. Then these ingredients were crushed using grinder and passed through mesh. Further, they were weighed as per the standard and mixed using blender. Mixed formulation was weighed and packed in bottle glass as they stored at room temperature for further analysis. In the next slide, we see the video which shows how we prepared Kayam Churna. Organoleptic evaluation. In organoleptic evaluation, sensory characters like taste, appearance, odor, and color were studied. Like Kayam Churna is bitter in taste, it has pleasant odor and olive green color. Botanical evaluation. In botanical evaluation, microscopy of formulation was studied, and it is the simplest and reliable method to check the purity and quantity of herbs. As we can see those pictures, vesicles, starch granules and calcium oxalate crystals are shown which are found in the formulation. Physical evaluation. It was carried out to calculate bulk density, tape density, compressibility, etc. to the formulation. Now these are the observations for physical evaluation. Like bulk density was found to be 0.2909 gram per ml. Similarly, result for tape density were found to be 0.3693 gram per ml. Compressibility found to be 21.23%. Loss of drying 6.4%, and ash value 92.02%. Chemical evaluation. In chemical evaluation, qualitative phytochemical analysis was studied. Like bioactive extract should be standardized on the basis of active principle or major compounds like tannin, alkaloids, glycosides, flavonoids, steroids, phlebotomannins, and saponins. These images shows that positive and negative results for phytochemical test analysis. Like for tannin, black color shows positive result for its presence, whereas alkaloid shows yellow for positive result, and so on. These are the observations for physiochemical evaluation, which was carried out using water and methanolic extract of Kayam Churna. And from observation, it was found that saponins, tannins, alkaloids, and flavonoids were present in the Kayam Churna. Next, chromatography of the formulation was carried out, which is generally used for separation, identification, impurity, detection, and assay of herbal drug in formulation. And it is carried out by performing TLC, which is the chromatography technique used to separate non-volatile mixtures. TLC is performed on sheet of glass, plastic, or aluminium foil, which is coated with thin layer of absorbent like silica gel, which is generally called stationary phase. Mobile phase used here was 2-propanol is to ethanol acetate is to water is to folic acid in 8 is to 8 is to 5.8 is to 0.2 ratio, and the sample is applied by means of fused capillary on the 9 into 10 centimeter sized silica coated aluminium plate. These are the observation for TLC. Plates were visualized under TLC visualizer, and proper separated bands of each ingredient were observed. Biological evaluation. In biological evaluation, heavy metal determination and microbial analysis was carried out. Contamination of medicinal plant materials with arsenic and heavy metal can be attributed to many causes, including environmental pollution and traces of pesticides. And therefore, heavy metal determination was carried out to check whether the formulation is contaminated or not. Kayam Churna was tested for presence of lead, cadmium, and bismuth, and all the three heavy metals was found to be absent in formulation, indicating no contamination of the formulation. In microbial analysis, total viable count was carried out, which gives idea about the presence of microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, and mold in the sample. The count represents the number of colony forming unit CFU per ml of sample. Tenfold dilution was prepared and the last 3 dilution was spread on sterile nutrient agar media. The plates are then incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. These are observation for total viable count. For 10 raised to minus 2 dilution, number of colonies per ml was found to be too numerous, which were unable to count. For 10 raised to minus 3 dilutions, 80 colonies were found per ml, and for 10 raised to minus 4 dilution, 30 colonies were found per ml. And final average number of colonies was found to be 3.8 into 10 raised to 5, which were found to be in the limits. This is the summarization of Kayam Churna formulation. Kayam Churna is proprietary Ayurvedic formulation which is blend of 7 ingredient with having senna as a main ingredient. Kayam Churna is mainly used for constipation and improving digestion. Thus, standardization of this Kayam Churna was carried out by means of its phytochemical, physiochemical and microbiological study. Churna was studied organoleptically and various physiochemical analysis was carried out like bulk density, tape density, percent compressibility, loss or drying and ash value, and heavy metal determination. All physiochemical parameters and microbial count was to be within the limits as per the WHO guidelines, and heavy metal was absent in Kayam Churna. Churna also showed presence of tannins, alkaloids, flavonoids. The further stability study can be carried out for finding out its efficacy, potency, and shelf life. These are the references. Thank you.